In a world where division and hurtful words often dominate, we as Christians are called to respond with love, compassion, and forgiveness. Recently, Subhash Velinkar made disturbing comments about Saint Francis Xavier.
ची मागणी अशी असतली त्या मड्याचो DNA टेस्ट करा आणि एकदम मोकळे जाय ते झेवियरचे म्हणून आमका काय प्रॉब्लेम ना.
Questioning the authenticity of his relics and hurting the sentiments of Catholics worldwide. This isn't the first time he's made such statements, previously denying Saint Francis Xavier's title as Goinso Sahib and promoting an alternative narrative. Saint Francis Xavier is revered not only by Catholics but also by people of other faiths who seek his blessings. His legacy unites millions worldwide. Hurtful words can cause division, but we choose to respond with forgiveness and prayer. As Christians, we are reminded of Jesus' teachings. Love your enemies. Bless those who curse you. Do good to those who hate you. Matthew 5:44. Let's pray for Subhash Velinkar that he may be enlightened to respect and appreciate the diversity of faiths in Goa and worldwide. May our forgiveness be a testament to the power of Christ's love. As we close, let's remember Saint Francis Xavier's message of love and compassion. May his legacy inspire us to forgive and unite in our diversity. Join us in praying for unity, understanding, and respect among all people of faith.